go. God bless the children. And may you continue to have a nice holiday. And be good at your houses, obey your parents. And also try and stay happy. And don't stress yourself. It's about you, it's about me, it's about all of us being free. Yeah, two stories from the Bible today. I'm sorry I haven't got the pictures of them because I went on Wednesday to try and fix my modem, and they said that it takes 3 days before the new one arrives. So hopefully it will arrive on Monday, because it didn't arrive yesterday or the day before. Two stories we heard from the Bible, just a quick explain. First one was about the children of Israel being freed from Egypt when they were slaves, and about 2 months, 15 days, they came to a place they were very angry because they were so hungry and thirsty. No food, no drinks. So they start complaining and whinging and get very angry. You know, some of us children, we do that when you are no food, no drink. You start to really complain to mom and dad. And then sometimes mom and dad also do the same thing. You know, they are very hungry and not enough food, they also complain. So God said to Moses and his brother Aaron, you know, it's all right, you tell the people I will feed them, I will give them drink, I will look after them. So they were told they were going to get some birds for meat. You know, the quail, you go to the butcher's shop, you will find some quail, little birds. So God gave them quails to eat in the evening, and in the morning they saw something fantastic, some sort of thing that came and settled on the ground, and they collected it and ate it, and it's called manna. That's where the word manna comes from. It's a food from God, from the skies. So that's the story. God looked after them for complaining and not having patience. So sometimes when you complain, it's not good. But I think God still loved them because they were hungry, so He fed them. The second story is about, I think I tried to explain to some of you that came early. People who work for 12 hours, people who work for 9 hours, 6 hours, 3 hours, and even 1 hour. And we're told this, so we heard the reading, that they all got paid the same. And the people who started working for, and they worked for 12 hours, they started to complain. Oh, you know, how come those people 1 hour's work and we get paid the same as them? But the master or the chief or the householder or whoever he was, he said to them, well, I'm pleased to do with my own money. I can give my money to anyone I want to. I gave you one because we agreed for one. I gave one for the person who worked very, very little time. And that's my choice. So that's what I'll be preaching about. It's about God loving all of us, regardless. Whether you do a big job or a little job, yeah, sometimes us who do big jobs, we are not happy when we see that God also loves other people who sometimes are lazy, sometimes who don't work hard. But that's God. God is the one who loves everyone. Sick or strong, rich or poor, lazy or very full of energy. But that doesn't mean that we should be lazy. We should be working hard. So that's the message that I will try to share. And God bless you, children, and may you continue to be a joy in your homes and in our church. And God continues to bless you. Ole lauma, ele swafu mai le tuole tamale alu, male nanu pa ia. Matua, ma kai o mosfulu a kusuma lema. E le whaitalia ea o na pule ia ka mea. E te whau uma ea I na ua o wanga nere. Am I not allowed to do what I choose with what belongs to me? Or are you envious? Are you unhappy? Are you upset? Are you angry? Because I am generous. So say manatu is a theme for us to focus on. Se manatu e whaautu iai e tā ua, tangata umai le maro le langa. E tā ua tangata, everybody is important in the kingdom of God. Tā tele ia o le tūlanga lea o le daily laboring. Ia tuku ia ia Asia, o le Middle East o Africa, e hofo I India. It's very important to have this kind of service of daily laboring so that people can be paid and have things, have money to live day by day. And it's very common practice in Asian countries, in Africa, even in the Middle East, even up until now. Tā ua I o le system o le o tangata tutu I maketi, ia po vaenga o soifuanga la wai loa e tangata ia mauna. People gather in common places where masters or people with money come and select their workers for the day. O le whainga na, o tō mantua e aso I Samoa, te roe mantua e visio. Nā tō wio mantua. Samoa in those days when I was young, and some of you were very young, there were work offered on the same basis. E ia whaingarua ngā tangata. E tāna I o mai whaingarua ngā I o whaingarua mea ai. Ia, o tuete me inu pia, mo inu me mararosi. Ia, e ne ngata mea o whaingarua ngā, ia, e whorafora le whatu I se tō. That's what happened, you know, people doing some work and offer work for people to, then they can pay. A nice food, some drinks, and even some money sometimes. You know, failure or yeah, my dear life of hope and money. No, I think we're loyal if you are hanging there, or my yeah, I tell you, I tell you, family, I tell you, I want to do or to our yeah, I want to know one I fantasy them, I didn't fantasy with the fear. Yeah, two for two pairs, and another fellow. Yeah, I tell you, what for you, night to pay man, another year, you want to live, but I want to bully one. Oh, for Tawa, that's how they are, Tala now. Se foi Maria. E então vamos estar lá tudo também. O tanto não tu oferta mata bertanya. Fulu tu lá na rua em Mole. Mole tem lá. Você não viu tu tomi não tanto Mole assombra na rua e na tu na tu. So a denarius was a day's work, and if you do the work for the day, 12 hours, you get 1 denarius. Ya, tu famentama, wala matongan nama. Ya, latu the Maria Bulita. It's not a story about how we do things usually. O le tātou te tala roa i le māroa le ngani. A o le whaingo le ngani, ngai le pe o whaingo le masangi tātou. Nā tu le o tā le ingo. Nā tu whea o mai ngani roa. O te awatu le tongi i tālu whengai. Tālu skurua mea tas. Tālu tonu o mai ngani roa. 9, 12, 3 o'clock, even 5 o'clock. Come and work in my vineyard. I will give you a denarius. No, he didn't say denarius. I will give you what is right. Eu tātou rota, tātou masani mo, tātou whanonso iai. Tātou whole nā māteo ala iai na only told in Matthew, not in any other gospel. Yo nā tūlera te māroa ini. Tangata, ia amata whaitong. Pay the workers. Start from those who work for 1 hour. Then pay the ones who work for another 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours. Ako whaitawa o mahuwhau le potoro tangata na whaitang. A matara tala o susao mai ai le tasi le ni tūla, oso le tangata na nua sukumi nua tūla. Watu le tūla e tasi, watu le tēnā. Ia whamewa, watu le tēnā e tasi na wā, ale sukumi nua tūla o ngānua. Ia matan whaiti. How come? It's not fair. That's not the way to do things. We bear the brunt of the work in the heat of the sun. How come we are paid the same with the ones who only work for 1 hour? And listen to what he said. He said, friend, didn't we agree that I will give you your day's worth? Take your reward, take your pay, and go. Nā te rei marie e whakasi e tutongi hoi le te nari. Tango e lo tutongi mai ai. Ona mo whongo o sili. Whawhera la ngana e na ngā duele 3 hours. What about 10? Did they complain? What about the ones who work 6 hours? Did they complain? Well, we're not told, but I'm sure they did. I'm sure they did. Because that's us. When we do more than others, we don't like it when we get paid the same, when we're rewarded the same. Tātou ngā. Tātou whaia o ngānu koe una wai ma whaina whaita. Tātou te rima nā whatusa tātou i ta mata e leo ngānu koe, ma leo tusa o tātou ngānu koe. O tātou winga nā whakangata soi fua. Ai leo winga le nā o leo fua. Tango i lo tutongi mahalo. Whakaelo o mahu whau. O le moto e le pule koe whana anta mai mai o le steli lea na whan. Mau te nofo i le waanga nea tōtō. Te tōru ono tau iwa tūna. Leo nisi mai ngā tafuna lasi. O le ua wa matana whaile tō muma le whiwhi. O wa o tātou inga na. Tātou whaita ngā tō whaile tātou i le ua le whana ngā. Se whai o tō i. Whai o tō i le o tō. Nā o le mantingai. Na lafi no leo siwa ia fa leo mai e tangata ia o tinga ina mafatia le la mafa o nga ia o ngā waru tātou no te leo tātou te ngā muena whaita ai tau apolo ole leo le nā a matai le tupu le ola whamasino mai ola ia poro le fia poto fo. Ia ona te iau a whaina toi mamai mau le tau tinga. Mai mau le tinga ina. A le simesi le whaita. I la whaita le mona i mapai. A mai tapu le tau ima. A le si aso le lo wa mai ki aso. E nga rua le tangata mo le aso mo non tutongi. O le mele na whakalango le lambo iai le ola manuia mo le ola si le bu. O le tangata maro na ai. A le ufa e atu le mata iai. What does it mean? Go, take your pay and go. I'm not going to employ you again. So, what about the next day? Manatu ko tangata i lunga. Tangata maumian, tangata whaifato. They know each other. They know each other. So he's going to be in real trouble, this guy. Awai latu i o, lisi tangata la voice o niang ala. Ala whakure linga na tuli o i tamākona. Tatu lo umai lo nanga whaingan o tato. I ro le te sau nei mo whaisi mi, whai mo wa osola. E te osa tu lisinga lunga, e osa lisinga lunga, e tiu ke tu. Now, it's very hard. It's very hard e whai mele o whai tiu. O tātou o lea, wā o tātou tuspa ia. Tātou ke tātou, tāna hatu mo whai tio, mo whi nau mo le mesa. E le te mesa o whi nau o tātou. Tāte li mari lia ea mo oi. I tā le te nami tasi e tōni. Āne, le te nami tasi. Tāngara i o ngāti. Vai que os vocês se metem, não é? Bom, mas sou bolo, mas sou bolo de aço, mas o talo, né? Safai e isso faz tudo. Olha, mas tá mal faz, não tá com suma aí, mas não é tá. Só com aí suma, precisa de pedir dele. O mato tu uma. Mato muito já tu. Nada tu. Fai uma tá suma aí, na ia pula fai o foi ele fata autolenta famu. Kamai oi lava só se mete foi. Ne uma te vatu mai na rua. Sau tua fia to tau i mai le tua. Ta si me tau i le ola fa. Fai uma ta pula se poso mai no mo tala na ama mai. O e mua e vea muli, o e muli e vea mua. Fai uma na le fai o tato tala ne fai tau ne. Tamo hano. Ano su se me to mo e lo ora le umana o fa tu le o ne le ma le no. Ana sa e mua. E tai na ngalo i wa ai o tai. O al mele fai o matai o le fai o le mele na fina ngalo ma ni lia ya. A ma nei o le mele a. E le i ngalo pe lilu i le ma ai o le matai pe i tu lai se furu nuo. Ya, a nuo e ta. E a vatu le tasi. E sau tu o fio ma lasi. E muli mai. Fati. Fa nga nueva. Fa rofa. Ia ma pule ala ma tani ia le whainga o lona rofa. A lea mo whai nei ma muli. Lea ma mo whai tio. Mo fia poto. Mo whaasea. I le lofa sin esa le matani. Pea whai. E tutu e mga ala. Ia tangata whainga nueva. Laborers for days work. They stand and crossing, they stand in the marketplace and wait for the grace, for the love of the employers, employers to come and select and pick them. Le fa'ali le rofa filifilia, le mua fatu. E ona o faso elisia o faso mua. Tātou tāta whiwhinia le tua, I lona lava rofa, le motatu I le kalisi. E le I whiwhinia tātou I tātou whiwhinia. It is God who has chosen us to work and serve Him in this church. it's not a kind of a privilege, it's kind of a calling. O le whanga au o le tua. Mo e mahu mo tātou. So that we can work in this church. Not just for the betterment of this church, for the betterment of ourselves. And for the betterment of God's gospel. Le rofa tu mo. Tilo mo tamata mo me tātou te whaia. Malu tau. Tau e la tau loa ka mana malama. I le rofa o le tua. Yo mo whaia na rofa me ia o mahu mo tātou. E le upapala me Maria ia tātou. The boss may be wrong, but he is still the boss. O le talana, the boss may be wrong, but we have to remember he's still the boss. But may be wrong in our minds. Le tala ile wrong. In the story, the boss was not wrong. But it's the people who thought that the boss was wrong. O le luitama mo tātou. O le lofo malanga leo le tua. O le ale ubi o lo fai fuamara wala mai tau tua. Ma ola i tonu le kānisia. Le lofo ngā le tua. Le taui le nā o lo nā anga le lei. O anga noa. Whai una e whasoa matufa. Whaali e tua le lofo le tua i ate oi. E ale i mea whai matā o lo mahi o le mativa. O le leta o lo loa. Lefa o whai le tua. So atu le anoa le nā mo e mahu tātou. It's for us to say thank you. To tongi, o maa, mai tātou tongi mo whasoa mo le. Ai leo le mai e tātou wano tonu tiki o soromo vai. Wa ai le whamanianga le tua le nā wā mai e vai. Just look at whatever God has given you, appreciate it. And return the grace and the blessing. Don't get this, when we get the blessings and we look around, because once we start looking at other people, then you start questioning the love of God for you. But God is always loving you and me and us. E ara whare atua, me rama le ma whaso mai luna awha. Ono sa ilo e tātou whabarwalea isi tau, even me. Tātou te talo ia le whare atua. Whamangalono tātou tu whesili, mana tātou masamsalo. Ia mana tātou so ono whaifo, mana natu mana mona. Mana tātou ne nana lama ato toa. I lona lofa, mana silsini ese o lona ane. I ono whaiona tātou moa ele ora, mana maro sinu le kumia. Mana mia le atua, e tātou kānisia. Ia mawia i ko ngāna rua, ia te whapena o le manuia le tino le mawhawhau, ia whasini lana le ngāna. Ia riki ai o ia le umatano te whaia, nei o le whawhau, le whaitalia le ako le pule i ako le mune. E te whau mai te no mō wanga le le. E tā mua tamata umani le mālo le laki, swafo i sū.